Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are taking the Makhraj of Dhaad. Remember what is Makhraj? Makhraj is the place from where the correct pronunciation can be made. The place of your mouth or your tongue which is being used to pronounce the letter which is required, and it can be pronounced very well. And that is a perfect and correct place to pronounce any letter, and that is called a makhraj. So makhraj of Dhaad. So the meaning is how we can pronounce the Dhaad from a very correct place, and what is the correct place uh, to say this Dhaad is. Yes, now I'm explaining. So how to say this Dhaad? It is pronounced by back sides of the tongue, um, tongue touching the upper side gums. Back sides of the tongue, when they touch the upper sides of the gum, then the Dhaad is pronounced very well. So the first thing I told you, there are two things engaged to pronounce any letter. This is the first thing. What is that? Back side of the tongue and touching the upper side of gums. This is the second thing. Okay. So can I draw a picture? Yes, for you. This is a tongue. Okay. This is your front, and this is your tip of your tongue, and these are your sides, and these are the back sides. Look, this is the area which I'm talking about, and this is your first place. Look, back sides of the tongue. These are the sides. Okay, these are the sides, and these are engaged with the upper side gums. When can you see the yes, there are teeth, and with the teeth there are gums. So this part of your tongue will lift up to touch the sides to the upper side gums, and there will be a pressure on the tongue. Here the pressure will be there. Sorry. Pressure. So on this side, these two sides, the pressure will be strong. Sorry, I should write this strong. Strong pressure should be there. And yes, when you will lift this side, and it will be touching the upper side gums, the frontal tongue will lift automatically. It will come, but this is not a makhraj. This is not which we will engage to pronounce the Dhaad. So, but it's coming up. So what we will write down, there will be light pressure. So it will come and it will touch the upper gums, but the pressure will be light. Like, you will not engage it. Light pressure. Where? On this side. This side will come along. Yes, but you will not put pressure over here. Let me write it down. So it should be. So here the pressure will be light, but there should be. This is actually a makhraj. This is the place from where the dot will be pronounced. Okay, so we will practice here. Do, do, we, for the fatha, you will say do, we, woo. Just say the sounds. You don't have to say these harakat. It's not necessary. Just give me the sound. Do, we, woo. Do, long vowel. We, woo. And with sakoon, it's ab, ab, ab. Do you know the lugha of Arabia is called lugha of Daad because this letter is so special. It is not found in any other in any other language, and it's a very difficult one to pronounce. This is why it is called lugha of Daad. So, but it's not impossible to say it. So just be mindful which place is used to pronounce Daad, and it will be easy inshallah for you. It's do, di, do, do, di, do, with sakoon, ab, ab. Again, I'm saying it again and slowly so you can say after me, okay? Do, di, do, do, di, do, ab. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.